Good evening, everybody. Yes, your homework. Your homework. Huh? So this you feel like a question is wrong. Show me the question. Repeat. ये 9 ICSE का From your so what is the value of A you got? Huh? Is 3. And B is 1. Okay. B is 2. No?
Yes.
B is 2, C is 1. I see that wrong there. Because I just checked the textbook also.
So this the question is P raised to B, I raised to C, and the LCM there is.
अच्छा वैसे
Yes.
उस हिसाब से बोल रहे हैं हाँ so it is 2 raised to A. Please make a correction in your books into 5 raised to B into 7 raised to C. उसके बाद आपको मिलेगा ठीक है 2 raised to A. Boss इसमें correct है इसमें 2 raised to A 7 raised to B वो ठीक है 5 raised to minus C वो सही है इधर सब ठीक है क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है ना बस उसका मिस्टेक और कुछ नहीं Now when you're doing this, no, don't cancel it. Okay? Write one more step. Okay? I had written that last class. Here you will do the cancellation. Okay? Same videos. चलो ये चल जाएगा cancellation किया सीधा आपने ऐड किया but I will before you to show the step also. Yes, show me your book. Down show me your book.
Sir, I said first.
How did you get here n squared minus n? खाली आंसर नहीं आने का बेटा क्योंकि रूल्स अपने मैथमेटिकली करेंगे ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन किया आपने
7 first. So this is on.
किधर किया क्या किया
Sir, ये क्वेश्चन है x raised to 3.
ये नहीं है स्टेप
ये हाँ सर ये सीधे से लिख रहे
आगे
and a
7 का सेकंड पार्ट भी तो था ना
हाँ second part I was getting this one this answer.
हाँ तो आप सही नहीं कर रहे नहीं सही नहीं कर रहे
And I was it's wrong.
This is wrong.
Yes. Minus.
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं no problem. What number? ठीक है ये आपका 1 minus 72 is how much? आपने माइनस वो नहीं चेंज होगा, समझा कि बाकी आपने सही किया है, लेकिन वो दिस यू डिड नॉट नहीं इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों किया आपने? कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। We are doing the topic of exponents, right? Because that will be done in all those courses. Now, your doubts. Oh. Who else in there? Ground के कोई डाउट नहीं करेगा क्या चैंपियन है वो? हाँ देखो डाउट नहीं कोई भी कब पूछेगा? हाँ 7 का सेकंड you was volume ना? So we are on page 68. Okay? Yes. And we are doing homework for question number 7. Seven का second वाला. Given x is 3, y is -2. I have to find the value of x raised to y plus y raised to x. ठीक है? आपका x क्या है? 3 raised to -2. What is y? -2 raised to 3. ठीक है? This is 1 upon 3 raised to 2 minus 8. ठीक है? That is 1 upon 9 minus 8. Denominator here is 1, so my LCM is 9. 1 minus 72 minus 71 by 9. ठीक है? Then coming to question number 8. X raised to a by x raised to minus b, the whole raised to a squared minus ab plus b squared into x raised to b by x raised to minus c, the whole raised to b squared minus bc plus c squared into x raised to c by x raised to minus a, the whole raised to c squared minus ac plus a squared. ठीक है? Now what we will do is we will write this as x raised to, this will go up, it will become a plus b, the whole raised to a squared minus ab plus b squared into x raised to b plus c the whole raised to b squared minus bc plus c squared into x raised to c plus a, the whole raised to c squared minus ac plus a squared. Now this is the formula of AQ plus BQ. ठीक है? So this becomes x raised to AQ plus BQ into, so this will become BQ plus CQ. So this will become x raised to CQ plus AQ. Understood? Now the bases are same, so the powers will get added. First law. ठीक है ना? So this will become x raised to 2aq plus 2bq plus 2ck. I can leave it here or I can simplify it further. Is this clear? Longer method say there is always a chance that you might make a mistake in some multiplication plus minus. Avoid it. क्या है कि आप हमने वो expansions वाला chapter नहीं किया, वहाँ पे ये सारे formulas ठीक बेटा आप भी कॉपी कर लो हाँ What's your name? Tejas. Remove it, switch it off or keep it on silent. Exercise is over. Okay. Now we move on to the next exercise. In the next exercise, we have been given certain equations and we have been asked to solve. Solve for x means find the value of x. I can only find the value of x, which generally is given to me as a power or index when the bases are same. Bases are same, so I can equate the powers. Okay. So I start with question number 1. Sub question number 1. I've got 2 raised to 2x plus 1 is 8. Base is 2. So I'm going to write 2 raised to 2x plus 1 is 2 raised to 3. Correct? Therefore, I can straight away write 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. Because the bases are same, the powers can be equated. Therefore, 2x is 3 minus 1. 2x is 2. X is 1. Understood? Second part, you all will do yourself. Coming to question number 2. Sub question number 1. 4 raised to 2x is 1 by 32. What will be? Don't write. I give you time to write, so don't write, just pay attention. What's your next step?
Sir, we equate this side and reduce it till this side's base is same.
So do it for me. Tell me, what should I do?
Two raised to 4x, which is equals to 1 by 2 raised to 4.
Very good. But I will show this step. Have you understood this? Next step.
So we will take the
Wait, solve this side first.
2 raised to 4x
Very good.
equals to 2 raised to minus.
Very good.
X is equals to 4x is equals to minus 9. X is equals to minus 1 on 4.
Very good. Smira, now you have to tell me, Bache, what should I do?
The square of 3 is
Very good. 3 upon 5 raised to half. Very good.
5 upon 8.
Very good.
Then,
Have you all understood? Next step.
3 upon 9 bracket x by 2 plus 1 by 2.
X plus 1 by 2. आप ऐसा लिखिए.
And then we have to make 3 upon 5 raised to minus.
Very good. Have you understood this? Because she wanted to make both the bases same. इसके लिए इन्होंने इसको उल्टा करके raised to minus. Equating the powers.
0 to minus. This will be minus 6. And x is minus.
Is this clear? पक्का? बड़े आगे? कंप्लीट करो चलो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 तक चारों सॉल्व कर लो. I learned this and this. So this is. finished. The second one also will be. Second one. Hey, this one, this one. Question number 3. Sub question number 1. 4 raised to x minus 2 minus 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes.
2 square bracket x minus 2 minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0.
Very good. Next step.
2 minus this is the same now. Top 2 raised to 2 minus 2
Huh?
2 minus 2 bracket 2 square root
Please write it.
x square raised to 2.
Come on, write it. Ah. And look what you want to read. That was right. Take a minute. What's the hurry? How did you get 4x minus 4? How did you get 2x minus 2?
So it was this 2 goals into the
It will be huh?
it will be multiplied
With what?
x minus 2.
इधर करो 2 into x minus 2 करके दिखाओ 2 बाहर रखो x minus 2 करो हाँ ओपन करो ब्रैकेट हाँ आपने क्या लिखा है तो करेक्ट करो समझा हाँ समझा आपने वेरी गुड गुड very good clear
Yes.
Next up question 3 raised to x squared is to 3 raised to x is 9 is to 1. Come. Is to means upon. Do you agree with me? Tejasvi, do you agree with me? Huh? No. You don't agree with her? You agree with us?
X should come at the top. In such a way that it should be-
Please come, please come, please come. It's wrong step. Very good. So you do it here. Three raised to x raised to.
So,
हाँ अरे नहीं यार minus when it comes up आपने 1/32 1/2 raised to 5 था हमने ऊपर लाया तो 2 raised to -5 किया था so when पूरा minus sign is equal to very good move that side Smira, did you understand this step समझा हाँ next step बच्चे how can x squared minus x become x फिर तो उन्होंने तो ऐसे लिखा how can x squared is apple x is mango x squared अलग चीज है x अलग चीज है you know what to do okay no problem you want to proceed no problem no problem good but what you did here Smira was wrong this you cannot do ऐसा नहीं कर सकते ठीक है ऐसा नहीं कर सकते so अभी क्या है bases are same powers will be equated now there is something called as splitting the middle term splitting the middle term I want the product as -2 I want the sum as -1 I have to get two factors 2 ones are 2 -2 and +1 -2 into +1 gives me -2 1 - 2 gives me -1 so I get x squared okay so either x - 2 is equal to 0 then x will become 2 or x + 1 is equal to 0 x will become -1 did you understand this
that part is factorization.
factorization yes which I don't know why you don't factorization in your school you know तुमने नहीं किया तुमको सीधा expose कर दिया anyway उल्टा जाता है बस is this clear this is the way to do that okay you have a doubt in your head
This and it's called back.
हाँ ये अच्छा हुआ आपने किया है this is clear so this is not to be copied ठीक है चलो कंप्लीट करें Question number 4. Sub question number 1. 8 into 2 raised to 2x plus 4 into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 raised to x. अब ध्यान दें, what is 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x?
Two raised to 2x.
Well, when the bases are same, the powers will be 8. So if this is m and this is also m, what is m into n? M square. M into m, m square. Can I write it like this? You know, beginning. This is 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 1. First law is 1 plus 2 raised to x. Any doubts? Sure? अब ये देखो, ये आपको इधर 2 raised to x दिखाई दे रहा है, इधर भी 2 raised to x दिखाई दे रहा है और इधर भी 2 raised to x दिखाई दे रहा है सबको, है कि नहीं? Let 2 raised to x be equal to m. I'm calling it as m. ठीक है? So this becomes 8 m squared, 4 2s are plus 8 m is 1 plus m. ठीक है? 8m squared plus 8m minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. 8m squared plus 7m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now again this is factorization. My product is 8 into minus 1, which is minus 8. And my sum is 7. So first in my mind, I will write 8 ones are 8. But the product has to be negative. That means one of these factors has to be negative. But this is positive. So the bigger fellow positive, smaller fellow negative. See here, 8 minus 1, 7. 8 into minus 1, minus 8. This is called splitting the middle term. So I write 8m minus 1m. I'll take these two fellows and these two fellows together. What is common here? 8m, m plus 1 minus 1, m plus 1 is 0. 8m minus 1 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. Either 8m minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8m will be 1. So m will be 1 by 8. Or m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 1. But this is not the end. Wherever I do my substitution, I must always resubstitute. Therefore, 2 raised to x is 1 by 8. Therefore, 2 raised to x is 1 by 2 cube. Therefore, 2 raised to x is 2 raised to minus 3. Therefore, x two raised to m, not possible. इसको मैं 2 तो बना ही नहीं सकता. Hence, m is equal to minus 1 is discarded. Is this clear? Understood? इसका सेकेंड पार्ट, फोर्थ का सेकेंड पार्ट, 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to x plus 2 minus 4 into 2 cube is equal to 0. फिर से just like this, I'll write this as 2 raised to x the whole square plus 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2 minus 4 into 8 is equal to 0. 2 cube is 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. ठीक है बच्चों? Let 2 raised to x be equal to m. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा इधर? m squared plus 4m, ठीक है ना? Minus 32 is equal to 0. Product is minus 32. Actually, this gets multiplied by the coefficient here. But क्योंकि इधर coefficient 1 है, तो 1 multiplied by any number is the same number. So that's why I've just written minus 32. As against that, look at this. This was 8 into minus 1, minus 8. Product is always obtained by taking the constant term with the sign and the coefficient of the square term with the sign. Remember, sum is always the coefficient of the linear expression, linear term. ठीक है? Now, मुझे पता है कि 8 4s are 32, लेकिन product is negative. One of the factors has to be negative. One has to be positive. I look at the sign of the middle term, which is positive. So the bigger factor will be positive, smaller factor will be negative. 8 minus 4 gives me 4. 8 into minus 4 gives me minus 32. This is clear? Now proceed. M squared plus 8m minus 4m minus 32 is equal to 0. M into m plus 8, minus sign here, 4 common in these two terms. This also becomes m plus 8. Is this clear? Therefore, m plus 8 into m minus 4 is equal to 0. Either m plus 8 is 0 or m minus 4 is 0. Therefore, m is minus 8 or m is 4. But what was m? 2 raised to x. ये तो मिल गया. अब ये देखते हैं. ये 2 raised to x is minus 8. This is minus 2 the whole cube. Cannot be equated. This is plus 2. This is minus 2. For equating, the bases have to be same. Same means sign may be difference nahi chahiye. Hence, this fellow is discarded. Have you all understood? Any doubts? Okay. Complete the questions. अब ध्यान से कर लेगा सॉल्व फॉर x। पहली बात तो ये 2x plus half we are seeing that। तो हम पहले क्या करेंगे इसको, can I write this as 4 raised to 1 by 3? I know that. That's why I asked you. What is the power of 4 here? 1. Beta, when I write square root of x, it means x raised to half. When I write cube root of x, it means x raised to 1 by 3. When I write cube root of x squared, it means x raised to 2 by 3. So now did you understand this? Okay. और यहाँ पे हम LCM ले लेंगे. This is 4x plus 1 by 2. ठीक है? यहाँ पे this will become 8 raised to 5 by 3. पढ़ो आगे. This will become, actually this is 2 squared. So I can write this 2 raised to 2 by 3. Yes or no? ठीक है बच्चों? And this is 2 cube. ठीक है ना? चलेगा? Therefore, 2 raised to 4x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 raised to 5. Bases are same, powers can be equated. Therefore, 4x plus 1 by 3 is 5. Therefore, 4x plus 1 is equal to 15. Therefore, 4x is equal to 15 minus 1. 4x is equal to x is 14 by 4. X is 7 by 2. Did you understand? Clear? Complete. Your homework will be ये exercise का पूरा homework दे दिया था ना previous का. So your homework here will be exercise 7.2 homework questions 1, 2 and 3. Homework questions 1, 2 and 3 will be the homework. Okay, complete this, we'll stop for the day. Thank you very much.